You're not realizing that your own habits, the actions you take daily, are making you uglier. Let me give you an example. Well, let's say you're in a date, you're talking to this girl, you want to impress her, but you're getting nervous. What happens when you get nervous? You start biting your nails. Not only is it unhygienic, because now she's thinking, man, he's gonna touch me with those hands. They've been all over his mouth. But more importantly, you probably have nubs for fingers. You see what I'm saying? These little habits that you're not realizing are making you look nervous, insecure, and also physically unattractive. Number 2, you're not washing your face daily. And I know you're not because you don't even have a proper face wash. I guarantee you go to your bathroom, show me a proper face wash. Show it to me. You don't. You probably use a bar of soap, so you let the soapy water wash your face, when in reality, you should be washing your face twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night, and with the proper face wash. Not doing so will lead to acne, skin irritation, and a bunch of other problems that make you physically unattractive. Number 3, you're letting your nails grow out. See, a good way to fight the first problem is by keeping your nails trimmed. If your nails are always trimmed, you will lessen the likelihood of you continuously biting your nails. On top of you will also looking physically unhygienic or unclean. You will lessen the amount of dirt that gets trapped under your nails, and overall, you'll look more attractive. Number 4, you're skipping on your fragrance. Most of you only wear a fragrance on special occasions. And some of you, even on special occasions, you're not wearing a fragrance. What I'm trying to get you to understand is that simple step in the morning can have a 10x effect throughout the day for you, not only on your confidence, but on the connections you're making. You leave like a positive footprint on everyone because you just smell pleasurable. So you know what? I'm going to hook it up. Because I'm going to be honest with you. I sometimes forget in the mornings as well. You want to know how I fix that problem? I have fragrances everywhere. Like, I have fragrances in my office bathroom. I have it in my home bathroom. I have it in my office drawer. I have it in my car. I have it in my little baggie. I literally have a fragrance everywhere. You think I'm joking. I'm going to show you. But the point of it is that if I forget, I always have a backup where I can re-up my fragrance, feel great, and be ready for the day. I want that for you. See, right now, for Santa Lucia, we've dropped our travel cases. You've seen them. They're amazing. It's probably the best product we've dropped to Santa Lucia because it's reusable. So once it's done, you can refill it with whatever you want. And it's super compact. You can always carry it with you. But the cool thing is, boys, if you guys click the link down below, you can buy all of our fragrances, both our dark collection and our previous white collection of Santa Lucia, through these travel cases. So we will pre-fill them for you with our 6 fragrances. They come in different colors, so you'll be able to distinguish which is which. But now you can buy 6, get 6 different fragrances that you can rotate for every occasion, and also it'll allow you to put them in different spots, in your backpack, in your office, in your home, in your bathroom. You'll have them everywhere in your car, so you're always prepared. And then when the fragrances run out, you can always refill them with your favorite fragrances or mix and match fragrances in the same little bottle. Boys, if you guys want to re-up how you smell, click that link down below. You can check out all 6 fragrances today, and I'm going to give you 50% off. Basically, a steal. Like, you're essentially going to get 6 high-quality fragrances for the cost of just one Santa Lucia full-price bottle. That's crazy. Boys, I would not let that slide. If you guys want to click the link down below and check them out. Inconsistency working out. Your inconsistency is destroying you. The most important part of life, when it comes to success in your business, with relationships, with your fitness, with your health, is consistency. And this is why I tell you, even the days you do not want to perform, you have to. Because this will train your mind and your body to do the things you do not want to do when you have to do them the most. And the problem is when you stop, when you go once a week, once a month, two times this week, 5 times that week, you're not letting your body acclimate to a certain level of strain because it's all over the place. Now, yes, any fitness is great fitness, but if you want to be great, you want to look amazing, you have to stay consistent. You're not getting enough sleep. This one is a big one. Like, you have to understand, most of these habits are free, bro. This is free stuff that you're willingly doing wrong that make you look bad. You taking the time to sleep at least 7 hours, I promise you, it'll pay tenfold throughout your life. You're going to live longer. You're going to have a sharper memory. You're going to be more creative. You're going to be better at problem solving. You're going to have more energy, more confidence. Your skin's going to look better. Your muscles are going to grow larger. Sleeping, it is the best beauty hack a man can deploy on themselves, and they're ignoring it. They're slouching. It's almost like a second voice in my head, because I want you to understand, these are habits that I fight with all day long. This is stuff that I'm not just pulling out of my ass. I've dealt with these at some point in my life, and slouching is one that I still deal with today. Like, sometimes I'll literally catch myself where my shoulders are rolling forward, and it's like an instant thing where I gotta remember, you gotta lock him out. You gotta roll him out. See, because when you do that, not only do you look stronger, more dominant, clothing drapes better. The silhouette looks sharper on you because it was designed to fit proper proportions. When you're caving in, you're making yourself look smaller, you're expanding your gut, and overall making yourself look uglier, being negative. You have to understand, your mind is powerful. And if you're constantly saying, man, I'm too short, I'm too fat, I'm too this, I'm too dumb, if you're just focusing on all the negative stuff you have, you're gonna lose. Because that energy, that mentality will yield energy. That's how you're gonna carry yourself throughout the day. And people are gonna feel it. You're gonna look and walk and talk like an ugly person. You need to understand, if there's something you don't like about yourself, work on it. Don't just dwell on it. If you think you're overweight, all right, we're gonna lose weight. If you think you want more muscle, all right, we're gonna put on some muscle. I'm too skinny. If you don't like how you dress, all right, we're gonna change that. If you don't like your hygiene, if you don't like your haircut, change stuff. Change your position in life. And I promise you, you're gonna feel better. Pleasure eating. Men are escaping into food. Every time you feel sad, depressed, you're not happy, what do? You go to the pantry, you go find anything to release that oxytocin in your brain and feel good for a second. This is what we call pleasure eating. And at the end of the day, it's what makes you fat and overall makes you unattractive. You need to be able to control what you put in your mouth. I view food as fuel. That's what food is. Food is fuel. You should eat the nutrients you need to perform at your best level. This doesn't mean you're not going to enjoy things, but that's how you should view it. And anytime you catch yourself eating when you're not hungry, you're pleasure eating and you have to regain control. That's it for today, boys. Those are habits that are making you ugly.